Hello and welcome to Sapphire Driving School. In this example we are approaching the Queniborough Roundabout. We'll be turning right, fourth exit towards Syston. As you approach the roundabout, you'll be checking your mirrors, interior and right hand side door mirrors, signalling right and keeping to the rightmost lane. Nice early observations to the right, and as you enter the roundabout, keeping to the rightmost lane. Looking at the road markings, you'll be following Syston. At this point here, you'll be checking your mirrors, interior and left hand side door mirrors, and heading towards the yellow bollard, keeping to the leftmost lane, mirrors and signal left, exiting on the fourth exit. For more driving videos, please view our YouTube channel. Thank you.